This is my V2 Losi Ford Raptor Baja Rey RC trophy truck. Got a fresh Raptor body, dual spare tire carrier from 3D printed designs, carbon cage braces, Traxxas UDR rear shocks, and Baja Rey 2.0 springs, and I'll go over how I set up my Bajas. I just installed this 3D printed designs horizontal double carrier for the V1, V2 Baja Reys. It is printed out of TPU rubber and described as being indestructible by 3D printed design. TPU rubber is a thermoplastic polyurethane that can stretch more than 5 times its original shape before failing. This double tire carrier is modeled after BJ Baldwin's trophy truck and comes with the entire assembly to directly bolt into your Losi Baja Rey V1 or V2 chassis with slight modification to the cage. I had to modify the rear bedside mounts by cutting the lower cage piece where it sits against the tire carrier. On the bedside mounts, there's a little nub that goes into the old rear cage, and on this tire carrier, I ended up drilling a hole into the side so that nub goes through, providing a better mount. I added M3 countersunk washers with longer stainless hardware and lock nuts on the 2 screws for the bedside mounts. I added these countersunk washers in multiple areas, including the front A-arm shock mounts, trailing arms, rear upper shock mounts, and various areas on the truck. The countersunk washers give a more finished look, adds a wider contact patch than a button head screw, changing out most of the hardware on this truck to stainless. I wanted to retain the stock cage X brace, and with this tire carrier I had to add a mounting hole just below the existing hole on the stock cage and cut the X brace to fit behind the carrier. Also installed the 3D printed designs carbon fiber chassis brace and added the same M3 countersunk washers with stainless hardware. One of the problems I found with the King Shocks Baja Rey is the stock blue spring rate. I noticed compared to my other Bajas that out of the box the stock blue springs are way softer than my other trucks and required maxing out the preload to get ride height. A high preload can force the spring to operate in a less effective range, making it difficult for the suspension to absorb small bumps smoothly, causing the wheels to lose contact with the ground on uneven terrain. Ideally, you want your truck to sit at ride height and come back to ride height after compression with minimal preload. With adding a bunch of weight from the aftermarket parts and maxed out preload on the stock springs, I looked at some other spring options. When Losi released the Baja Rey 2.0, they added 3 spring options that you can get from Horizon Hobby. For the front and rear, they come in 3 different weights marked by the different colors on the spring. Black non-marked springs are the stock Baja Rey 2.0 rates, while they have a stiffer option and a softer option. With all this added weight on the back end, I opted for the stiffer springs on the rear with stock spring rates on the front. The stock Baja Rey 2.0 front springs are definitely stiffer than the original blue springs that came with the truck, and I was able to get it to sit at ride height with almost 0 preload. The rear stiffer springs are perfect with this dual spare tire carrier and will help push through the secondary bypass shock that I installed. I used Traxxas UDR front shocks as a secondary bypass, and they are 134mm designed for the front of the UDR. I run a very light oil in most of my secondary shocks and sometimes little to no oil depending on testing. The shock setup I'm running on this Baja is 30 weight front and rear with almost no oil in the secondary shocks. It's been a little controversial regarding the weight of the oil in the secondary shocks, but I can assure you through testing that even with no oil in the UDR rear shocks, you still get added dampening compared to no secondary shock. I picked up a fresh Losi Ford Raptor Rey body and wanted to make another Robby Gordon themed Speed Energy paint scheme. Used Tamiya Fluorescent orange back with Tamiya white and then back with Tamiya black to seal everything in. The white backing is the most important part of making these fluorescent paint jobs pop and really represent the color. I made up another Speed Energy graphic scheme with my Cricut, just freestyling my placement, using a few white logos in the grill and front mudguards and kit bashing some random sticker packs I had left over. Here's a rundown of my setup on this truck. I used this same setup on all of my Baja Reys and Rock Reys with 30 weight oil front and rear, and with almost no oil in the rear UDR shocks. Using Baja Rey 2.0 springs, stock front with the black marking at 5.5 pounds and stiff rear with the orange marking at 6.7 pounds. Front diff is 7K fluid, center diff is 10K with a rear axle locker. Running a Savox 1258 TG servo with aluminum servo arm. I run a 10T pinion on 3S LiPo. Most all the Baja Reys come with a provided 10T pinion in the parts bag. The best upgrade for tires I've found that fit the stock body are Losi Tenacity TT or DB Pro Falken Wild Peak on method wheels that come stock on the Tenacity TT and DB Pro. And with this truck freshly rebuilt, it's ready to go eat some sand. Thank you guys for watching. Do it for Dale. Peace.